If your skullcandy inked ANC earbuds are acting up, disconnecting, losing sound in one ear, or just not pairing the way they used to, a factory reset is one of the quickest ways to fix the problem and get them working like new again. In this video, I'll show you how to fully reset your skullcandy inked ANC step by step. And don't worry, it's safe, easy, and only takes a few seconds. First, make sure your earbuds are turned off. If they're still on or connected to your phone, press and hold both earbuds until they shut down. After that, go into the Bluetooth settings on your phone and remove or forget Inked ANC from the paired device list. This part is important because if you don't clear the previous pairing, the reset might not work properly. Now with the earbuds powered off, press and hold both earbuds at the same time for about 10 seconds. Keep holding them until you see the LED lights flash red and blue or until they power cycle. This flashing pattern confirms that the factory reset has started. Once the lights flash, release the buttons and let the earbuds restart. Now place the earbuds back into the charging case, close the lid, wait a few seconds, and then take them out again. They should automatically enter pairing mode, and you'll see the LED blinking to show they're ready to reconnect like brand new earbuds. Open Bluetooth on your phone, search for devices, and select Skullcandy Inked ANC to pair them again from scratch. If everything went well, the sound should be balanced, the ANC should work normally, and any glitches should be gone. If one side still doesn't work or the earbuds don't sync together, repeat the reset steps one more time and make sure both earbuds were turned off before starting the reset. That's it for this quick guide on how to factory reset your Skullcandy Inked ANC earbuds. If this helped fix your earbuds, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple tech solutions. If you're still having issues or have a different model you want help with, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.